Not everything goes to plan, and I feel like this video is a perfect example of that because there are a few things that have gone wrong this morning that I literally am just smiling and breathing through it. The first one being is I literally don't have a video for you today. It's Monday the 21st of April. This video has to be live tonight at 6 p.m. and I'm recording it now because the video I did have planned for today is actually a really raw, honest, emotional video, and I've never been like that on my channel. I'm sharing some personal information that I have never shared before, and I want to do that video justice. And when I went to record it last week, it wasn't translating how I wanted it to, in the sense that it was very static because I wanted to read it off a script to make sure I was actually including all of the information I needed to, but it looked like I was reading it off a script. So I need to redo that one again and just make sure I'm breathing through it and getting it all cool. I'll hopefully have that video for you next Monday. But today I'm going to be packing in real time all of your orders from the Easter sale weekend. So for the literal first time ever, I ran a free shipping promo. It ran from Thursday to Sunday, which was yesterday, and finished at midnight. And I offered free shipping for all of the orders. So I'm going to share those results with you, and we're also going to pack them today. But I'm not going to be packing all of them because the literal label printer ran out of labels, and my spare labels are back home in Brisbane, and I didn't bring them because I didn't think I would need them today, obviously. So that was unexpected, so I can't print everybody's label. The ones I can print, I'm going to pack, and also some of the items contained personalized items, and I obviously won't be packing them today because they need to be made up. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Real-time packing. And I hope you'll enjoy it. Running a free shipping promo is actually super scary for me because I have to absorb all of the cost of the shipping, and I had no minimum spend with this one, which I've learned for next time to probably have a minimum spend because my profit margins on some of these orders is very, very low, but that's okay. Sometimes it's not about profiting off, well, you have to profit obviously off every single sale, but that's not obviously my main driver with this sale. It was just to get Matchy out over the weekend. Times are tough at the moment, and I want to help you guys out where I can, of course. I don't really like paying for shipping. We all have to pay for shipping. So when I can offer free shipping, I just wanted to do it on a special occasion, which was Easter, and I really loved it. I also, throughout the week, I think I started on Tuesday, hid like little codes throughout my website. There was like Hop Bunny, and then there was one that was Golden Egg, and it was 25% off, and someone found that one. Hid little words throughout the website, which activated a certain discount, and then there was only a certain amount of uses those discounts could be used. So that was running throughout the week, and then from Thursday, I started free shipping, which you could also combine with the discount codes, which was super beneficial for some of you guys. And yeah, but running free shipping is super scary because you absorb all of the costs. And I do have a software that links to my Shopify for you guys to see how much it will cost you in shipping, and what that amount says is literally what I pay. So I don't add anything because that connects straight with Australia Post and it calculates it based on your destination. So yeah, that's super fun. So if it's like $8, $12, whatever, that's what I'm paying for all of your orders this weekend, and you get it for absolutely $0, which is super exciting. So yeah, let's get straight into packing your orders, and I'm going to share the results of the sale at the end of this video, so I'll get back to you then. Bye. Hey guys, it's Editing Sav here. I'm about to enter real time because I'm going to pack these orders with you in real time. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that it is going into real time packing. If you wanted to watch it in 2x speed, please do. Otherwise, just have it on in the background when you're crafting or whatnot. I do talk a little bit about some things, but there are some gaps of silence. And if I have made a cut, it's because I've showed someone's address accidentally, or I made a weird noise with my mouth, or I like left the screen. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the real-time packing, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so first lot of orders I just have to put in a bag. This is a Georgina carry-all bag in banana, and I already wrapped it up. Georgina e-reader sleeve in blueberry. This one here. Yeah, so with this next print, I'm going to actually be doing things a little bit differently, and the whole collection will kind of be part of something like bigger. So I want to talk about it more and just explain everything and why I want to do it all that way, because I take care of the manufacturing myself. I'm not really like under pressure to produce like a certain amount of each print, and that's really important to me. So this one is a Tia coin purse. What did I call it actually? Yeah, Tia keychain coin purse. So yeah, I just want to have a little bit of fun with that, because I don't have the pressures of doing those kinds of things. So the next print is actually 2 prints as like one little thing, one set, which I'm excited for because that's something a little bit different. Okay, next order is Georgina vanity bucket in chocolate. One. I have to make a few more of these soon, which is this one here. Cute. My sister ended up buying 2 vanity buckets for Easter to get like the Easter eggs in, like as the Easter basket, and I just thought that was like such a sweet idea. Perfect. And the next one is, or the next 2 are both Tia keychain coin pouches. And they're my last 2, so I need to make up some more of them before I pack the next lot of orders. I met someone on Friday, and I was showing them the coin pouch, and they're like, oh, is it a doggy poo bag holder? And I was like, yeah, it could be, because it like literally looks exactly like that, but it doesn't have like obviously the slot for the bags to come out of, which I never use that slot anyway, because it always like just never works for me, and I always use the zip. So I mean, if you want an extravagant and cute poo bag holder for your little dolls, that'll be cute as well. So 2, and although that one doesn't have a label, that one has to go out tomorrow, and this one can pack up. Perfect. So that's them for now. Okay, I am back and let's pack up these next few orders. What we have okay, this one is a Georgina e-reader sleeve in the strawberry gingham, which I am obsessed with. I think it's a really good time when you don't have to pay shipping to grab a e-reader sleeve. I think that's smart. If you're also new here and not sure what the e-reader sleeves are, they're literally a Kindle sleeve, and yes, they do fit like all of the Kindles up until the Kindle, like the newest Kindle Paperwhite. It doesn't fit the like Kindle Scribe one or like the color one, I don't think. But yeah, like all the ones without like the fancy features, it fits like just the normal ones, and it also fits it with your clear case on, your strapsicle things and your pop sockets, which is awesome. If you're ever unsure about measurements, just like always feel free to send me an email or a DM, because they're like my most asked questions. Just gonna double check. Okay, and then we've got an Amelia coin purse, which is this one here. Honestly, probably one of the last of the Amelia print. Perfect. Then we've got the Georgina book sleeve in blueberry and a Tia keychain coin pouch, which is that one here and that one. Adorable. So I'll show you our book sleeves as well. They have the recess zip here, so the opening is like that, and then the zipper just comes down with this closure, and then you've got just a standard lining, and it's like that, and it fits like a few books or like one or two really chunky ones. It's also good as just like a little pouch. It fits an iPad as well. Like an iPad sleeve. We have another Tia keychain coin pouch. They are so popular. It literally wasn't even all of them as well, because there's some in orders that like combine with other things that need to be made up. And this one is a Georgina hair tools pouch in chocolate, which I love. That is everyone's orders. Amazing. Okay guys, now let's get into the results of the sale. So it was obviously free shipping, and then there was some people that used discount codes, some people that didn't, but mainly the free shipping discount was used throughout the weekend, so from Thursday to Sunday. Overall, the total amount of sales that came through was 19 sales. The average order value over that time was $56.56. Angel numbers. And the sessions over the weekend was 937. So that brings me to a conversion rate of 2.03%, which is pretty cool, pretty average. Obviously would love it to be 3%. If you did order over the weekend, thank you so much. The marketing I did for this sale was pretty low, by the way. I only posted one reel about it and one TikTok, and the reel got 10,000 views, but it was more towards the end of the weekend that the views picked up. I did 2 Instagram stories about the sale, and then I did 1 marketing email that went out to my customer base. That was what I managed to get out. I've also, so yeah, if you're interested in all of this stuff, that was the results from my sale. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for being patient with me with this vlog. I know it's a bit rushed and put together last minute, because it literally is. I hope you'll have the best week, and I will see you next Monday with hopefully this new video. That will be my rawest and real one yet. I'll see you all next Monday. Subscribe to get the notification for when that one pops up. Bye.